To decorate cupcakes without icing, try spreading a dollop of whipped cream over each cupcake instead. Or, make a simple glaze by mixing 1.5 cups, 173 grams, of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of whole milk, and a drop of vanilla extract. You can also melt dark or white chocolate in the microwave for a delicious cupcake topping. If you prefer something with a slightly nuttier flavor, Nutella can be a great choice. Even just shaking some powdered sugar over cupcakes makes a great topping. Peanut butter, marshmallow fluff, and honey are delicious choices too. For a final decorative touch, add sprinkles, chocolate chips, or sliced fruit.